Did you know that in Italy's Abruzzo region there's a small town where villagers still celebrate Christmas with a living nativity scene involving nearly the entire population? Hi everyone, I'm your name, and today I'm taking you on a magical journey to discover Italy's secret Christmas wonders. Italy is famous for its festive spirit, but beyond the bustling markets of Rome and the grand celebrations in Milan, there are hidden gems that offer truly enchanting Christmas experiences. These lesser-known spots are brimming with unique traditions and heartwarming customs that most tourists never get to see. But finding these authentic and magical Christmas experiences isn't easy. Many travelers stick to the well-trodden paths, missing out on the rich tapestry of regional celebrations that make Italy so special during the holiday season. So can I find the ultimate festive spot? Let's find out together. First up, let's head to the picturesque town of Gubbio in Umbria. Every year, the town lights up the world's largest Christmas tree, which is actually an entire hillside covered in lights. The spectacle is breathtaking, and the town square comes alive with traditional music, delicious food stalls, and joyful locals. Next, we visit the enchanting village of Orvieto in Tuscany. Here, Christmas is celebrated with a medieval twist. The town hosts a Christmas market inside its historic underground caves, making it feel like you've stepped back in time. Imagine shopping for handmade gifts with the scent of mulled wine and roasted chestnuts in the air. Our journey continues to the south, in the town of Matera, known for its ancient cave dwellings. Matera's Christmas celebrations are nothing short of magical, with elaborate nativity scenes and candlelit processions through the narrow, winding streets. It's like walking through a living postcard, but the highlight of this journey has to be the town of Greccio in Lazio. As the birthplace of the first living nativity scene, Greccio's reenactment is both moving and awe-inspiring. You feel the true spirit of Christmas in every detail, the costumes, the animals, the setting. It's an experience that stays with you long after the holiday season. So there you have it, Christmas lovers. Exploring Italy's hidden gems during Christmas reveals a world of beauty, tradition, and heartfelt joy that you won't find in tourist brochures. If you enjoyed this adventure, let me know your favorite Christmas traditions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel content and check out my next video showcasing Italy's breathtaking landscapes. Until next time, Buon Natale!